Welcome back everyone to another Finance for Beginners tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can reset your forgotten password on the QU MATIX Trading Bot app. So hit that subscribe button and let's begin. First of all, open up the QU MATIX Trading Bot app on your device. And once you are taken into the login section, tap on the login button at the top right corner. And now tap on Forgot Password. You will then be asked to enter the email address that you have used while registering. So go ahead and type it in, and then tap on Reset Password. You will now be asked to check your instructions. So go ahead and open up your email app. Just check your inbox and you will find an email from Cortex. Open up this email and then tap on Reset Password. You will now be allowed to create a new password for your account. Type in your desired password and then type it in once again for confirmation. Finally, tap on the Change Password button. And now your password has successfully been changed. After this, you can go back into the QU MATIX app and tap on Back to Login. And now you can use your newly created password to log back into your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset your forgotten password on the QU MATIX Trading Bot app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching and I'll see you again in the next video.